Imagine a world where social classes vanish and everyone is equal, even if just for a day. Welcome to the Carnival of Venice, where masks hold the power to transform. The Carnival of Venice, Italy, is one of the biggest and most famous carnivals in the world. And now I am pleased to tell you some history about the carnival and the world-famous masks. Ready to go? Before diving in, please smash the like button, subscribe to get more videos like this. You can also support the channel by buying me a coffee, link in description. The first evidence of the Carnival of Venice was the document of the Doge Vitale Falier in 1094, and maybe before that year there were still feasts. The reason why the carnival was celebrated was that the aristocracy of the city decided to give the poorest families the possibility to party, dance, and celebrate in the city. The mask was used to cancel all the social differences. Instead of greeting someone with "Buongiorno, signore," they were used to say "Buongiorno, signora maschera," like Mr. Mrs. Mask. The mask permitted to participate and join the party completely anonymous, and everyone acted as per masquerade. The popularity of Carnival grew, and the Guild of Mascherari was constituted and recognized even as profession by the Serenissima Republic, enjoying a special position with their own laws and privileges. Clay, papier-mâché, and plaster were the materials used to build a mask that then was decorated by drawings, embroideries, beads, and plumage. The simplest and most used mask was the Bauta, made by a blank mask and a black cloak, even used at theater or important events. Originally, its name comes from the Venetian Bao, an imaginary monster used by the adults to scare their children. Other common masks were the plague doctor, Moretta, dumb maidservant, Pantalone. Pantalone is probably the most well-known Venetian mask. He is characterized by his frank and musical Venetian speech. He is an old merchant, often rich and respected, other times fallen into ruin. He represented in every way the mercantile ethics of the Venetian bourgeoisie that was beginning to assert itself among the ruling classes. Arlecchino. It is the mask of Commedia dell'arte most connected to the people. On the face, he wears a half-black mask, and he is a silly and somewhat credulous character. Colombina. Colombina is the faithful companion of Arlecchino. She is actually in love with him, and, like him, she has her origins in popular tradition. Her distinctive features, which always emerge on stage, are cunning and coquettishness. The masks were also used in the Commedia dell'arte, or comedy of humors or extemporal comedy, where characters used the masks, mostly based on the Venetian masks. These characters became famous thanks to the art and theater of Carlo Goldoni, mostly in Venetian language. Unfortunately, the carnival knew its decline. In fact, since the domination of Austro-held kingdom over Venice had determined the halt of the celebration, banned also during the fascist era, 1922-1943. After the Second World War, local artisans and Venetians decided to restore the ancient tradition. And now if you come to Venice during these days, you can see the most beautiful masks in the world that even Hollywood represented in Eyes Wide Shut, directed by Stanley Kubrick. Now you can find also fantasy masks like this, some more classic like this, with the Bridge of Sighs in the background. I hope you have enjoyed something more about the Venetian mask's history. It can be important to know something more about Italian traditions. If you are interested in Venice, there's also a flea market where to buy masks located in Campiello Morosini. Do you want to know more about the carnival's main events? Please check the video I created about it. Are you going to stay in Venice? In the description, you can find some recommendations. Have you been to the Carnival of Venice? You liked the masks? Please leave a comment and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.